Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Jim Fahad. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful effect by using Elementor. So initially we can see only an image, and when you hover over on it, we can see this beautiful 3D layered image. I will show you how to make this effect step by step. So without further ado, let's now go inside Elementor Page Builder. To take a new section, let's click on this plus icon, and I'm taking this single column structure. First, I'm making its height to minimum height, and let's set it to 100 VH. Also, I want to add some space at the top and bottom, so go under Advanced tab, unbind the padding. At the top and bottom, I'm adding 60 pixels of padding. Now let's click on this plus icon because here I'm dragging an inner section, and let's now delete one of the inner columns from here. Now this inner section has only one inner column. Alright, let's now click on this plus icon, and here I'm dragging an image widget. Let's now select the image. I'm selecting this image. Basically this is a mobile app design. I took this mobile app design from Dribbble, so I will also put that Dribbble short link in the description. Alright, let's click on insert media. Let's now make its alignment to centered. Now go under style tab. From here I'm making its width in pixel, and let's set it to 250 pixel. Then go under advanced tab and open the positioning because I want to make its width to inline auto. As I have set its width to inline auto, that's why it goes to the left. Now if I want to make it centered aligned, just select this inner column. From here make the horizontal align to center. Alright, let's select this image. From under its advanced tab, I wanna add a class name with it. So I'm naming it my image-1. Remember, you need to use exactly this class name, otherwise the effect won't work. Alright, now I just wanna duplicate this image 3 more times. So let's duplicate it one time, then duplicate it one more time, and let's duplicate it one last time. So right now we have 4 images. And now to make you understand its structure, I'm opening the navigator. Just right click anywhere and open the navigator. Here you see this one, the last image. This is basically the front image, this one. And here at the top, this is basically the back image, this one. So let's start from the back image. Make sure from the navigator we have selected this one, the last one. So let's keep it class name to my image-1. And also I want to change its opacity. So go under style tab. From here I'm making its opacity to 0.4. Let's now go to the next image. First go to the advanced tab. Here I'm making the CSS class name my image-2. Then go under style tab. I'm making its opacity to 0.6. Let's now go to the next image from the navigator. Go under advanced tab. Here its class name. I'm making it my image-3. And go under style tab because I'm making its opacity to 0.8. And now let's select this image. This is the front image. Go under advanced tab. I'm making its class name to my image-4. Then from under style tab, we can make its opacity to 1. Actually, the default opacity value is 1, so it doesn't matter. Alright, now we need to set all of their positioning. Let's now start with the back one, this one. Go under advanced tab, open the positioning, and make sure its width is set to inline auto. Then let's now go to the next one. Go under advanced tab, open the positioning. Here I'm making the width to default. Then let's make it position to absolute. Now I'm going to the next one. Go under advanced tab, open the positioning. Do the same whatever we have done with the previous one. Make the width to default, position to absolute. Again do the same with the front image. Select the front image, go under advanced tab, open the positioning. Make the width to default and the position to absolute. Now here underneath we can see the last image a bit. We need to add some padding. We need to remove the padding so we cannot see it. Let's now select this inner column, go under advanced tab and make the padding to 0. Now it looks perfect. Then I want to add some styling with the front image. So from the navigator, let's select the front image, go under its style tab. Here I'm adding border radius 20 pixel, and also let's add some box shadow from here. I'm just adding blur value to 40 and the spread value to -5. So we are basically done with the layout. Let's now add the effect. So to add the effect, let's click on this inner section, go under its advanced tab and open the custom CSS field. By the way, custom CSS is only available on Elementor Pro. I will put my Elementor Pro affiliate link in the description. If you purchase Elementor Pro through my affiliate link, you don't have to pay any extra, but I will get a little credit for that. That will help me to continue this YouTube channel and make more interesting tutorials like this. Alright, now to get the CSS code, we can just simply go to jimfahaddigital.com. I will also put this page's link in the description. From that page, if you scroll down a bit, here we can see a 3D layered hover effect. Simply just copy this CSS snippet from here, copy it, go inside Elementor, then paste the CSS code here. Now first have a look. If we minimize the bar from left, so initially we can see this image, and when you hover over on it, we can see the 3D layered image. And also you can control almost everything from the custom CSS code. So let's open the bar from left. You don't need to write any crazy thing within all codes. All you need to do, you can change these 3 values from top. For now, let's just close the navigator so you can see the image properly. So first have a look. When you hover over on it, we can see some spaces in between of these images. You can control that from here. Initially I have set the value to 40, but if we change it to, for example, 60, you see the spaces has been increased, but I'm going back to 40 pixel. Then also you can change the rotate value. I have set it to -30 degree, but if you change it to -10 degree, you see it changes immediately. But let's keep it -30 degree. Also, if you want, you can change the skew value from here. Instead of 25 degree, if you set it only 5 degree, you see it's changed immediately. But I'm keeping it 25 degree for now. Alright, everything is working perfectly, but I think I can add another thing at the bottom of this layer, so it would look more realistic. To do it, again right click here and open the navigator. Let's now select the back image from here. Go under its advanced tab and open the background. From here, let's select a background color. So first I'm selecting pure black color. Now have a look. If we hover over on it, we can see a black layer at the very bottom here. But instead of solid black, I just want to reduce its opacity so it would look like a shadow, something like this. And to match with the images, we need to add some border radius with the corners. So let's scroll down and open the borders. From here, I'm adding 16 pixel of border radius. If we now minimize the bar from left and hover over on it, it looks really nice now. Alright, let's open the bar from left. Finally, we should check how it's looking on tablet and mobile device. So to check its responsiveness, from bottom left, click on the responsive icon. Go to the tablet view. It looks perfect on tablet device. Let's now have a look how it's looking on mobile device. So click on mobile icon. On mobile device, I think we should reduce the width of the image. So let's first select the back image, go under style tab. Only for mobile device, I'm making its width to 160 pixel. Let's do the same for all other images. I'm making their width to 160 pixel. Let's do the same with other images. Also with the front image, here 160 pixel. Right now they are also looking great on mobile device. Alright, let's now close the responsive bar from top. Also let's close the navigator. Now here, additionally, I want to make you understand another thing. If you want to add any heading underneath this image, then if you add that heading after the inner section, that will be a normal heading. But if you put the heading inside of this inner section, that will also be rotated and skewed. Let me show you a real example. So click on this Rubik's Cube icon. So first have a look. This is our inner section. And now if we drag a heading widget inside of this inner section here, let's make the alignment to centered, you see the text or heading has been skewed and rotated as well. But instead of this rotated and skewed heading, if you want a regular heading, then let's click on this Rubik's Cube icon, then just drag this heading after the inner section here. So if we now make its alignment to centered, you can understand the difference between them. To recap it, if you want a normal heading, you should put the heading after this inner section, and if you want this skewed and rotated heading, you should put that inside of the inner section here. But for now, I don't need any of these headings. Let's also delete this one. So when you are happy with your work, just click on this green update button to save your work. I hope you have learned something new today. If you like it, please give this video a big thumb up. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also press on that notification bell icon to get notified before anyone whenever I will upload a new video on this YouTube channel. And if you want me to help you on your WordPress project or Elementor project, then you can contact me through my website, that's jimfahaddigital.com. I will try my best to help you personally. Once again, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I will see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.